healthcare, you're raising a very sensitive and a very important point, no doubt. But health comes under both center and state's budgets. Center spends money, it's displayed in our budgets, and also builds institutions. The number of AIIMS which have increased, number of medical colleges which are funded by the center which has increased, number of medical college seats which have increased, are all part of the larger scheme of things for which center creates its budget for health. But state governments also spend on health. So it is not just the center, but also states, each one for their own. Some states do more, some do less. And I agree, health is such an area where we can put a lot more money, we'll have to plan it out, and there are quite a few such steps which are being taken up. Particularly after a COVID, for us to come back and ensure that at least the insurance activity in the name of PM Ayushman Bharat Yojana is happening, so that the poorest of the poor get medical facilities up to 5 lakh every year, is also going on. I take your point.